In CNC machining, perfection is the goal. Today, we explore how quality control ensures that every part is precise and functional. Welcome to another video with us here at Design to Product Limited. Quality starts with measuring. Tools like micrometers and calipers check size. They must be precise. Surface quality is next. It's about look and feel. Surface testers gauge smoothness. They make sure each part looks good and functions well. There's more to quality than what you see. Data helps too. Statistical process control tracks quality. It spots possible defects early. This keeps consistency high and waste low. Some parts are critical. They must be flawless. First article inspection helps here. It checks a sample part thoroughly. It makes sure the process is right from the start. As CNC machining keeps evolving, quality control will always be a constant. It guarantees every part is reliable and efficient. Achieve precision. Ensure efficiency. Trust in CNC quality assurance with Design to Product Limited. For a comprehensive guide on CNC machining, you can book a meeting with us through the Calendly link listed on this video. And for more detailed assistance on CNC machining, or to get a fast quote, including delivery to your non-sanctioned country, you can send your STP, PDF files, and quantities to team@d2pcnc.com. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.